In this brief video, we'll talk about how you can get free information on culinary schools. Now, the types of programs that are available within the culinary arts field basically fall within four categories. First of all, there's the associate degree, which can take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years to complete. Next is the bachelor's degree, and that typically requires 4 years of instruction. Next, after the bachelor's degree is earned, you can go for a master's degree, and that usually takes an additional 2 years. And then for more advanced training, you can pursue a doctoral program or even a specialized program made available by many culinary arts institutes. Now, if you are looking for a formal education geared towards a career in the restaurant or culinary arts field, you want to make sure that you determine which degree to pursue that will provide the education and the credential necessary to advance your ultimate career objective. Now, culinary art schools fall within three broad categories. First, you have cooking schools. They don't typically offer degree programs. Usually it's a certificate or a diploma, and their programs can be more specialized in nature, ranging anywhere from 1 or 2 months to as long as 3 or 4 years. Next, you have community colleges. They tend to be more affordable than private schools, and many do have excellent programs. They typically offer only associate's degrees, and they're established and managed by either state or local governments. And in the third category, we have culinary schools and institutes, which offer the more advanced degrees and training. Some institutes provide the most highly regarded as well as the highest standard of training in culinary arts academia. However, since they are private schools, they tend to be more expensive than their public counterparts, and some can be quite a bit more expensive. Now, some of the questions asked culinary arts schools is, first of all, and importantly, is their program accredited? Accreditation can help ensure that the program in the school is of a high quality, and you want to make sure that it is accredited by an organization such as the American Culinary Federation. Now, the ACF assesses the courses and the facilities of the schools that they provide accreditation to. So again, it is a good way to confirm that both the school course and facilities are of a high standard. Next, does the school have a good reputation? Naturally, when you're applying for your first position, your prospective employer is going to be looking at the quality of your education, since you may not have any experience in the field. And it's going to be important that the school that you attend does have a good reputation within the industry. You can ask the school for references, particularly from employers where they place their students. You can check with the accrediting organization, but you can also ask potential future employers where you may be planning to apply for your first position to find out what they think of the quality of the program of the school that you'll be attending. Next, how old is the school? Now, this is somewhat subjective, but you can add it into the mix when evaluating the culinary school. Newer schools do have the benefit of having modern facilities, and unfortunately, in some cases, though, they may not have been in operation long enough to develop a reputation. On the contrary, the older schools have developed their reputation, but not in all cases have they modernized their facilities. So, in the best case scenario, you're going to want to find a school that has updated or has newer modern facilities, and also has a good reputation and accreditation. Next, what are the graduation and job placement rates? High graduation rate is a good indication that students were happy with the program and continued through completion and graduation. And a high job placement rate is very important to make sure that once you graduate, through the help of the school, you'll be able to find your first position and begin your career in the culinary arts field. What are the average class sizes? You do not particularly want to receive your instruction in a class that has a large number of students. That will restrict the hands-on or one-on-one instruction that you will receive from the teachers. The smaller the class, the more personalized attention you'll receive. So find out what their average class sizes are. Next are flexible class schedules available, including evening or weekend classes as needed. If you are continuing to work full or part-time while attending school, naturally you'll want the flexibility to be able to schedule your classes around your work schedule. But regardless of what your needs are, make sure that they are in sync with the class schedules and the times that courses are made available. And finally, if interested in an online option, find out if that is offered by the school as well. You will still probably either have to complete some of your training either in the classroom, because learning how to cook obviously is a hands-on skill, so it can't all be done via the computer, or you may have to enroll in a school-sponsored internship or externship program where you may have to train with a local chef within your community. Finally, you can request free information on culinary art schools right from our website. If you are not currently on our website, you can scroll down below this video and find the link that will take you to our website. Just fill out the information form and request your free, no obligation information. So what are you waiting for? Begin your culinary arts career by requesting your free information now.